started to get ready. My under eye circles are a little bit better today. The last time, or in my last video, they were kind of scary, only because, you guys, the transition from not working to working again is actually insane. It's not even that I'm not getting a lot of sleep, it's that my body's just not used to waking up. So even if I get like 12 hours sleep, I'm exhausted. So today it's gonna be another shoot video. I know you guys really like these types of videos. My hair is done. I braided my hair overnight and then I woke up and there was like nice little waves. And so I kind of added to the curls a little bit and then straightened the top. It's freshly washed too, so it's nice and silky. So I wanted to be like big, curly, nice. I don't know if this is gonna hold. But yeah, I'm doing two looks like I said. Both are kind of like the opposite. One's like dark Catwoman and one's like holy angel. So I just figured a nice curl would work for me. It is currently 5:19. Photographer is coming at 6. I wanted to take some photos in the angel costume first, and then I wanted to get some like night shots outside for the Catwoman costume. I'm also vlogging, as you can see. This is our little setup here in case you guys are wondering how I film my videos. So that's my iPhone. I have a, what do I have? A XS Max. I need to upgrade soon. And then this is my ring light, which you guys saw in a vlog. And that's what we're working with. I want something that says angel / Catwoman, because like I said, I'm doing two looks. It's just, I'm not going to be switching it up. I also have rhinestones that I was going to do for my angel look, but honestly, I don't even know if I'm going to do it because, I mean, I should. Because like, it just goes with that angel vibe. Anyways, I need to hurry up. Primer, you guys know the deal. Primer. Honestly, I don't know if it does much for me. My concerns with makeup is just right here. Right in here, I feel like it shows through, like the pores show through my foundation. So I want something that will like blur out right here so that it looks really smooth. But I don't know, if you guys have any recommendations, write it down below for me, please. So you guys know the drill. We are doing a full beat today. It's been kind of like a busy running errands type day, so I'm feeling good and I feel like today's gonna be really fun. Comment down below if you guys did anything for Halloween. I'm not sure when this is gonna go up, but you know, with everything going on, Halloween is just not the same, so let me know. So this is my favorite concealer, the NYX concealer. Thought it would be too light, but your girl is pale as ash. I just feel like I'm never on schedule, and it's crazy because even when I am on schedule, I feel like I'm not on schedule. And it's like, the photographer is coming at 6. It's 5:30. My event is happening at 9. It's just crazy. This will literally last me forever because with this new routine, your girl uses like no foundation. Literally. Later. Oh yeah, I forgot you have to, because she doesn't work, but you do. I forgot.
I'm getting like 3 hours of sleep, getting up, getting ready to go to work.
Oh my gosh. Alright, so this is the makeup look done. And now, let's go get ready. Today was my day to like do all my normal stuff, like laundry, cleaning, shopping. So this is the second look. I am Catwoman, and yeah, I'm gonna be shooting both inside and outside, so I'm really excited for some outside shots. Yeah, what do you guys think?
You're literally gonna get on top of my car and you're gonna like bend down and like look at the moon.
Let's do this.
Definitely. The angel is more behind, the Catwoman is more have your hair in front. The hair looks beautiful like that.
Okay guys, so I just shot, we just took some pics with the mask. Now we're gonna take some pics with the ears only. So these are the ears right here. You guys seen them in my previous vlogs. So right now I'm just gonna add some curls back into my hair because it's like frizzy, but we want my hair to be wild. So if you're wondering like why my hair looks crazy, it's because it's gonna look wild in this shoot because I'm a cat, or like a cat woman. I have indents from the mask, which is like not cute at all, but what can you do? It's not that bad, right?
No.
Okay, well.
Anything, bring the mask just in case.
No, but I don't want to wear that mask. It's so ugly. Like, someone buy that mask off me for next year. Thanks. Please and thanks.
For like a quarter?
Yeah, I'll literally sell it to you for $1. Whoever wants it. So I'm using the Deep Waver by Revlon. I got it from Shoppers Drug Mart. And it's really good. It has 3 like barrel thingies, or you can 3 adjustments. Like there's a little knob and you turn it to how deep you want the curl, so it's really cool. Honestly, I don't know what the difference is between all 3 waves, so I just put it on the deepest one, but it's also really fast. How do I look? All right, so we took some fire photos. Now we're gonna head outside and we're gonna try to get some action shots outside. I'm really excited. Best photographer ever, aiming for greatness on Instagram. Check him out and book him. We finally finished up. I'm absolutely starving right now. We took some shots outside that I'm really excited about, and yeah, that's a wrap.